Welcome to our new home. Welcome to our brand new kitchen. This has to be one of my favorite rooms in the whole place because in our last place the kitchen was so tiny and so small, but this is so spacious and luxurious. Got a new plant, so I'm now a plant mummy. I don't know what to name her, so if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. This bench top is part of the marble family. It is a type of marble, and then it counteracts with the wooden cabinets that we have. Cupboards, whatever you're gonna call it. When we first walked in, I was like, I don't know if everything's gonna fit, but thankfully the cupboards are all really deep. Then on the top of our counter, we've obviously got the coffee machine. That is a must. We were gifted these salt and pepper by the brand that owns this building. And then I bought this. This is actually supposed to be a display vase from Target, but I used it as a utensil holder. All of the front of the island here is actually cupboards as well. So you just push them and they open out, and then we have a bunch of storage. All of the fittings are a copper brass. So we have this space under here, and we're gonna put 2 bar stools so that we can have more of a casual dinner. For the new place, I wanted nothing more than matching gold utensils. So that's what we got, and so far they've been amazing. This is our fridge. It opens up and we have our fridge inside. Ta-da! And then you come through here and you're like, where is the dishwasher? We don't have a dishwasher, but jokes, we do. It's in here. Now you might be thinking, this is the pantry, but this is in fact our wardrobe, which I don't know if I want to show you because I think it's really messy. Just pretend it's not messy, okay? But this is our laundry space.
Here's a be real. Oh, do.
Max is the cameraman, if you can't tell. By the way, Max would be in this video, but I don't know if you can see how yellow his eyes are.
No way I can't see.
His eyes are yellow, okay, because he has something in his eyes and they had to do a dye thing at the doctor's. Anyway, so he doesn't want to be in it, but he is here. Welcome to my favorite room in the whole apartment, which is this one right here because of the sad beige couch.
Sad beige
My little
couch.
bestie is over here just hanging out.
Hi.
We got this couch from Lounge Lovers. We ended up saving like $1,500, and the good thing about this couch is the first layer and the second layer comes off and you can easily just wash it. As Autumn is showing here, these are the only decor pillows that we have at the moment. They're from Pillow Talk. Eventually I do want to add a little bit of more color in here because I feel like it is on the more beige side. I'm not saying sad beige, but like definitely beige. The number one thing I get asked about at the moment is this rug. Where did I get this rug from? It is a beautiful white woolen rug, and it is from, I'm pretty sure the brand is called Wild Yarn. I had a look everywhere online. I looked at Miss Amara and a bunch of other places, even Temple and Webster, because obviously everything is from there nearly. But yeah, we ended up setting on this one, and we made sure it was the same size as the couch, so it does fit perfectly. This mirror here is from Mullen & Co, and then this beautiful lamp is from Target. Our TV cabinet, excuse the baby toy, is one of my favorite pieces in this whole entire place. I just love the arches.
So, nice table, huh?
This table was from our townhouse, and we decided to keep it because the wood is beautiful. It is from Temple and Webster, and it also matches our TV cabinet and our coffee table, but we just had to take this, and luckily it fits perfect in this space because the dining room space is on the smaller side. But I think it just fits perfectly, and my girlfriend bought me the most beautiful flowers ever. Welcome to Ollies Room.
Oh, can I come in?
Oh, yeah. Of course. We have a little baby gate.
Thanks.
Welcome to Ollie's room. This is his little safe space. He has a big boy bed now. We decided to get a king single, and then for the sheets we're able to just buy double sheets. This is from Mocha, which is the same brand his cot was from, and we've gone for quite of a neutral theme but Pooh Bear theme because he is obsessed with Pooh Bear. This little pillow was 10 bucks from Target. How cute is it? This chest of drawers I am very proud of because I did this myself. We just have Ollie's little lamp here and his little night light and a few other things. This is his little calendar. He loves doing this every morning. So all of his clothes are in here because we're currently using the wardrobe for storage. We have kept this baby mat. This baby mat is the best thing ever. It is so soft and squishy, and it allows him to kind of play Play-Doh on it or do anything where he can't on the carpet, and it's easy to be wiped up as well. Hey there, this is Ollie's reading spot. So cringy, I'm sorry. So in all seriousness, this is Ollie's reading spot. This basket was from, surprise, surprise, Target. And this cute little pillow, which I'm sitting on with my big butt, is from Pillow Talk. Lastly, in this section, this room is kind of like an orchid shape because it's a triangle. I wanted to fill this space with his ball pit. He does still love this, and actually Autumn loves sitting in it too. In here is obviously all of his toy baskets. We do pull all of these out so he can play in the lounge or whatever. Then we also have Ollie's little picture frames. Obviously this is a work in progress, but we will have his monitor set up at the top so we can see 360 of everything. Sorry about the funny light, guys. I do apologize, but I have to film this whilst Ollie's at daycare. Otherwise I won't get an opportunity. But this is Ollie's little kitchenette. I think it is super cute and it works well within this space. We've put it on top of the glass because this is actually a balcony door, which I know will panic so many of you, but we do have a little alarm latch on the top, so if it does open we will hear the alarm. I'm going to show you our bedroom now. I am most proud of this room. It took me so long to find all the pieces to put it all together, but I'm so proud of it and I love it, and I think it is such a calming place. I just think that this room is so classy, so timeless, but also so trendy, and I just absolutely love everything about it. I get asked about our bed head all the time. I absolutely love the rattan. It is from Black Mango online. I have normal white cotton sheets behind, and then I have this natural oak color cotton sheets on the bed. They're both from Target, and then these gorgeous pillows here are from Pillow Talk. These slides are my favorite things ever. When I saw these online, I said to Max, I have to get these, didn't I?
You did, absolutely. Yeah, you were like, we need these, and I've already bought them.
Sorry. They are absolutely stunning. I think they are a real centerpiece, but they're also kind of like timeless. I don't know. It's like a mix of trendy and timeless at the same time. And then these candles are so cute. This one has my name on it coincidentally. Max's mum got these for us and they're really expensive, so I was like, well, we have to put them on display. One of my favorite things about this room or apartment in general is that you can...
Did you lock it?
Yeah. Open these windows up, and we do have the full safety of... What is this called?
Like a lattice?
Anyway, yeah, we've got this, the safety of it. I'm waiting for Ollie to like peg his cars out here in this little bush area. But yeah, for now we can open and shut it, and it is lovely to have some fresh breeze all the way up here. Moving on. This is our desk. It is a double desk from IKEA. We definitely needed this because I work from home and Max is obsessed with gaming.
What?
These desk chairs are from Target. We got the 2 storage cabinets, and then we've got the beautiful wood. I feel like this fits in really well with the floor and the kitchen.
Yeah, absolutely. It ties with all the rest of the wood. It's all a nice light one.
I think we've done well to incorporate a lot within this space. This is our ensuite. It's a little bit on the messier side, but you get the gist of it. We have the beautiful copper handrails. I love the neutral finishes, and I love that this has additional space here. Again, everything is like this copper brass color. Then we got these towels and these soap dispensers from Target. This little bath mat here, I don't know if you can see, but it fits perfectly within this space, and we got it for $5.50 at IKEA. And then this is our shower. Again, everything's brass. This is our little knob. I think this is awesome. And then obviously we've got the bench to put all of our products. For space, we've got these open cabinets, and then we've also got the pull-out drawer. Let's just not look at all of the makeup products shoved in there. We do only have a shower, so the kids do shower in here. So far it's been fine without a bath, don't you think?
Yeah, I think it's been pretty good.
I don't think we've had an issue.
Ollie's been pretty good.
Ollie likes showering in here, and Autumn we just told him to shower with her. When you first walk in, this is our linen cupboard space. The actual layout and design is quite unusual because I thought there'd be like deeper shelves. But let me just show you. We have managed to fit everything. They just push open. It's not very deep. We can get 2 towels across if they're folded, but we've managed to fit a lot within this space. We do have our lounge section. We still managed to get our dining section, and we also have space for our computers or massive black monitors. No hate.